Sentence ends with tense in different form. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Catch.
ধরা,
ধরা। আমি ধরি।
I catch.
I catch. আমি মাছ ধরি।
I catch fish.
I catch fish. সে মাছ ধরে।
She catches fish.
She catches or he catches fish. Right. এখন চেঞ্জ করবো আমরা present two. Present two means
Present continuous.
continuous. Right. আমি মাছ ধরতেছি।
I am catching fish.
I'm catching fish. আমি মাছ
ধরতেছি।
ধরতেছি। সে মাছ ধরতেছে।
She is catching fish.
She or he is catching
Fish.
fish. Right. Now we'll change into perfect tense. আমরা মাছ ধরলাম।
We have caught fish.
We have caught fish. সে মাছ ধরলো।
She has caught fish.
She has caught
Fish.
fish. Right. Now we change into present perfect continuous tense. Right.
Right.
Okay. আমরা সকাল থেকে মাছ ধরতেছি।
We have been catching fish since morning.
We have been catching fish since morning. সে সকাল থেকে মাছ ধরছে।
She has been catching fish since morning.
She has been catching fish since morning. Good. ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই লাইক কমেন্ট করে পাশে থাকবেন। Follow for more video and please subscribe the channel. Please don't forget to share the video. Thank you.